Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're working on Mazda CX-7 and we want to show you a few things if you have a problem with the fuel pump. We'll show you where the fuse is located for the fuel pump, it's 30 amp fuse, and where the relay is. So if you have a problem with the fuel pump, check these two first, okay? That's the easiest thing you can do and you won't spend any money. You can actually switch the relay with another one. That way you can test if it's working or not, and the fuse you can check it if it's blown or not. So we'll show you in the menu. Okay, let me turn the light on right here now. In the menu you can see on page 841, if you open, that's the fuse diagram. And you can see right here you're going to have number 14 for fuel pump 30 amp. So that's the fuse right here. So let's go ahead. Okay, that's the car right here, and show you where the relay is now and what to do, how to pull those out. Okay, open the hood, guys. Okay, you can see the fuse box is located right here on the side. So now we're going to go ahead, open it, and on the back side of the fuel, of the fuel panel right here, it's going to tell you what everything is for, even if you don't have the manual, which is pretty cool. You can see number 14, fuel pump fuse, it's one right here, 30 amp, the one right here. Grab it with the pliers, okay, and you pull it out. It's a big fuse, and those are tight, believe me. Okay, let's check this thing out now. Inside, it doesn't seem blown. Okay, it's very important. Trying to focus here. Okay, that piece there inside to be perfectly fine. Okay, next thing that you're going to check is the relay. And if you go by that, you will see that this one right here says fuel pump. So it's that relay here that's damaged. Actually, you can see how many times it's been pulled out. So grab it with pliers will be probably convenient, but it's really tight, so if you have bigger pliers will be better. This one is damaged quite a bit, and we actually finished it all the way now. Okay, that's the relay, not broken yet, but the cap is broken, and we'll be replacing it anyways with another one because this one was screwed up all the way. Okay, this is the relay here, so we're gonna get a new one and install it in a second. Okay, and the fuse, you just get a new one. If yours was blown, just push it in. Okay, super easy. Okay, let's get a relay now. And all these are the same, so you can interchange them and see if you have a bad relay without buying one. Alright guys, this is the replacement relay. Trying to focus on the number here. Okay, it's very light. Okay, right there. That's the number if you need one. So what we're going to do, just go ahead and install it now, push it in, okay, until it clicks good, close the cap, and that will be all, guys. That will be all. If everything else check out there, then you might have a bad fuel pump. When you turn the key on, you should be able to hear the pump for a couple seconds. If you don't, it might be a pump, so you need to test that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.